Okay, we live. Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy, it's Mr20west. Look, mind you, I got the GoPro out the case and all that, so it might not be the best in the world. So this is the bike, right? 2005 CBR 1000 double R. And yeah, charging system on it is freaking terrible. We didn't plug this back up. It's got the 2 bolts. That's for the seat. Right there, those 2 bolts for the seat. Then a ground wire for this. She got lights set up on here too, and I thought like maybe they had something to do with that. So I'm probably gonna look at this fuse real quick to make sure that it's not burnt out or anything like that. Yeah, we're gonna take off this cover right here. It's held on by this bolt. What's these clips? These clips. I think these are clips. That's a clip, and that's a bolt, and that's about it. And here is the stator for it. What is up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr20west in the building. Let me see if I can get this second camera going. Ooh, bam, boom, bam. Look at that. I got the, I guess the fair in town. Man, check this out. I decided to pull over here real quick, show y'all some of this stuff. But look, my rim tape is coming off. That's, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, bro. Alright, so let's pick up from where I know I started this video from, because I said I was gonna do it how I was gonna do it. Look how ridiculous that bar looks. Look at that. Don't you think that's so ridiculous? Like, can I get a like? Can I get a like for this right here? This is just for you guys, cause like I wanted to get that backwards facing juice going on. We're gonna see what it do today. Actually, I'm actually gonna go downtown before it start raining. So I've been riding probably about a week now with this alarm. Wow. You know how many people die at fairs? I just want to let like honestly, do you know? It's a lot. Those moving fairs, they take down all these machines and stuff, and go from state to state, and they rarely get any requirements because they never stay in the state long enough to get a good check going on. But anyway, yeah, I've been riding with this alarm for like 2 weeks, bro. And honestly, the only issue that I've come across that like I really be like, okay, is remembering to set it. But it has a feature that when I turn off the bike, it automatically says something like chirp, 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 to let me know like, oh, hey bro, you forgot to lock me. Please come on back here and quick, me back in. So like, bike security is hella important, and I'm pretty sure I already played a video of my friend CBR 1000. So let me tell you the backstory to this. I go over T's friend house. Her name's Wit. Okay, she's very cool. She's a cool biker chick. I'm like, oh wow, this is, you know what I'm saying, you got a pretty powerful bike. It won't start up. I'm actually analyzing the problems as I'm talking to her. So I'm like, okay, so your CBR won't crank up. Will it hold power? She's like, no. I'm like, okay, so it won't stay on long and it won't crank. Okay, so we either got a problem with the radiator rectifier, because that's your charging system, or you got a bad battery. And in that case, I mean, both is an easy fix. So that's why I'm thinking about that. So I tell her, I said, well, just order the part, this radiator rectifier. It's like altogether like 180, but she's trying to keep the bill pretty cheap, because right now this is like in the middle of the month, bro. So like in the middle of the month, you try to save up your money. I gotta stop for some Love Juice. Sorry y'all, I know I should really start putting Love Juice in before I even start vlogging, but like I'm so crazy when I go vlogging, because most of the time I don't even think that I'm going to go vlog. until the day before, and then I'd be like, oh yeah, that's what I'm going to go do. Okay. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. Hold on. Are we back on the money? Okay, yeah. Alright, so we're back on the money. Look at this. This is the this right here is the freaking alarm. So you can see the bike. Look at that. Don't that look dope? Like, you know what I'm saying? You can see the whole bike. Anyway. Alright, so I got the little juice back in, right? Sorry for that. Like, what? You got a problem? Oh man, we got a we got a problem because my bike's so loud? Bro, that dude just turned the corner a second ago. He didn't have no dog with him. He comes back with the dog. I have no clue where this man got this dang on dog from. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, he just went around the corner and came back with a pug. I don't know if pugs be running wild around here, or if that's the case. I mean, he just went around this corner, and then all of a sudden he comes back with a pug. I'm like, what? I didn't know they had pugs out there in the wild like that. Alright. So, as I'm analyzing her problems, right? I'm breaking down her problems. I'm like, yo, okay. Boom, boom. I'm like, how much you got to spend on this? She's like, TiVo, to be realistic with you, I don't have a lot right now. Okay? Because this is really unexpected. I had some other stuff come up. I'm like, bro, don't even worry. Let's do this. Right? I'm like, I'm gonna work with you. We're gonna get this bike right. So the goal was to be ready by that weekend for the mob ride. Which mob ride was it was epic. It was epic. I went to the location to meet up, but I didn't actually go on the ride. And that's because every time I get around a group of bikes, I always get this weird type, anxiety type thing. So I just like, nah, I'm gonna avoid it. Anyway, this was gonna be her first mob ride. So she all like, yo, like, this is gonna be so lit. Like, I got to be there, TiVo. Like, my bike has to work. Right? So I was like, all right, let's go ahead. Let's just rule out your battery. Let's rule out this battery. And this before I even got a freaking voltmeter. So I went ahead. I told her, go ahead and get a new battery. So she got a new battery. Put the new battery in. Boom. Sure enough, the bike it cranks up with so much energy and so much ferocity. I'm like, dang, that might be it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm like, oh yeah, that just might be what was affecting your. Can I get on there? Get on there? I'll get on there. That might be what was affecting you. Anyway, right? So turns out that wasn't. The bike stayed on for like literally like 10 minutes and then cut off again. She's like, oh man, so we're going through the process again. I was like, whoop. That means let's just check the rectifier. Well, she was like, well, TiVo, I don't have a lot of money. So then she calls her freaking mechanic. He's like, yo, you got somebody else working on your bike. I'm pretty mad. You got somebody messing up my work. She like, all I went to do is get a new battery. He was like, well, it might not be the battery. You might have just wasted your money on the battery. You know what I'm saying? You don't really want to just start buying stuff, because like really you ain't got a lot of money to begin with. And yeah, I'm like, bro, shut up. I was already like, I'm over it. Like, I just like hang up, because like he wasn't helping at all, and all that talking he was doing was just getting on my nerves. So so we're looking at radiator rectifiers for a bike. It's like maybe I think it was like $80. I think it was 80, or maybe no, we got it down to 50. Now we done found this radiator rectifier for 50 bucks on Amazon. Now I know it's the cheap little generic ones, but I'm like, it'll work for what she wants. She only need it for a day, then we could just go OEM later on, blah 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 blah. So she's like, okay, bet. I'm lit, so I'm ready to do this shit. So we set up this project. Well, we getting it popping. I mean, like, but then she hit me with the, yo, you know, I put 87 gas in my bike. I'm like, what? You put 87 gas in your bike? How's that even a thing? Why are you putting 87 in your bike? Well, she tells me, long story short, tell me, no one told her that she had to put in 93. Excuse me for the people that don't like that. Sorry, I just decided to get over. I mean, like, whatever. You know what I mean? Forget that. Alright. Oh, man, we got police over there. We got non-stop. I want y'all to see this. This non-stop traffic is traffic forever. It's like, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going to flex to you, bro. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and nobody's going anywhere. And it's okay for me because I'm vlogging. I ain't got nowhere else to be. So, anyway. So, anyway, she gets the freaking... She ended up running out all the 83 on her bike, right? And she puts in the freaking beautiful, pristine 93 premium gas from the gas station. The bike turns on immediately. It's running so smooth. It's running so rich. It missed that 93 octane gas, boy. It missed it so much. It was going crazy. She FaceTimes me this whole thing, right? It's lit. I'm like, I'm stupid happy for her. I'm like, oh my God, that's cool, that's dope that you're gonna be able to participate in a mob ride, you know what I mean? And that, I think, okay, and then the next day, she calls me in like a panic. She's like, yo, bro, you're not gonna believe this. I'm like, what? She's like, somebody stole my bike. I couldn't believe it. I was shocked that somebody would steal my friend's bike, and then to wait, the audacity to wait until the bike is better to steal it, just made me be like, okay, something's not right about this whole situation. Like, why they ain't steal it when it was messed up? Because it was messed up for a few days. Like, her bike was down for a while, like at least like 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks. So I kind of was like, huh. It seemed like it's somebody in your apartment complex or somebody just been watching you, you know what I mean? Like, social media and just weird things in general has been getting people bikes stolen, you know what I mean? Stolen, taken, and then I think the people that steal these bikes don't understand how much of an impact it has on a person, bro. Like, it really sucks. It sucks, bro. It makes you want to kill them, first off. Like, you want to commit a crime right away because somebody stole your passing machine that keeps the smile on your face. And then it make you not want to trust not a soul because guess what? Now you feeling like somebody has something to do with this in the biker world, and now you just like, okay, F everybody. I don't even want to ride with nobody. I don't even fool with none of y'all. You know, it really do. Like, look at the sun. Look at the sun. It's back. Look at that. Through the clouds, bro. Through the clouds. I'm really messing with the... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh. TiVo, where are you going? Where are you going with all this traffic? I don't know where you thought you was going. But let me tell you something, bro. Let me tell you. Oh, it ain't that bad. Look. It's not that bad. See, you was just about to start complaining, and it ain't even that bad. Now, traffic going that way is terrible. This way, it's debatable. It's debatable. But it make you feel like, man, I don't want to ride with nobody. I don't want to chill with nobody. I don't want to get to know nobody because people out here stealing bikes, bro. So then, the same week or same time frame, I had a homeboy. He had a CBR 1000. It just seemed like they have a type. All right, and I don't know if it's real. Like, I'm doing my own little investigation work right now on this video as we're talking right now. I'm breaking this down because it just seems so weird, right? So he has an all black CBR 1000 that he decided to put white fairings on. So now, you know what I mean, he's trying to make it different, make it stand out, uniqueness. Uniqueness and stuff and all that. I get it, I feel it, you know what I mean? I really wasn't even against it, you know? Heck yeah, you should customize your bike. It's your bike. So he gets the bike exactly how he wants it. He goes over his friend's house in this apartment complex, right? He parks the bike literally in front of the apartment. someone steals his CBR 1000 that he just worked stupid hard to make look good. They steal it. It's gone. They done took it. He just fixed it. Now, this is the part that made me be like, bro, what does everybody else be on? The dude who stole the bike, or the girl who stole the bike, decided to take the bike to a place that everybody be. They took it to the gas station. They were at the local gas station hanging with other bikers. I'm like, okay, hold on. You telling me, oh, this guy is pretty fast. What's up, bro? Okay. And you telling me this person stole a bike, everybody saw this bike, and nobody said nothing? Like, this dude is in a panic frenzy. He on Instagram. He letting everybody know, bro, somebody stole my bike. If y'all see the bike, please let me know. This man is putting it on Facebook, Instagram, every social media outlet, trying to find his dang on bike. Please tell me why. Please tell me why. Look at my place. Look at my place over there. It's looking so majestic over there. I should have went over there. But I got an idea, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all through the city real quick too, man. Like I might just do one of those city tours later on. But right now I'm